Hello my people, this is yet another reel. In this reel I was putting noodles together, and those are the ingredients I used. Just vegetables, sweet corn and garden peas, and sunflower oil, some eggs, and that's the ingredients. And that's the noodles ready. What makes this different is that it was cooked in the microwave for the first time. I was trying to teach the kids how to use the microwave to cook the noodles. So which we put all the ingredients in a bowl, including the vegetables, and we just cook for 2